Good evening, you're coming from Tampa Bay regional weather and plus Florida forecast. And we're gonna go get right into the forecast and then we'll cover what the question of the week was for this upcoming week. It runs till Tuesday. So possible answers, but we'll go there here in a little bit. But going out the door for March the 1st, Friday, East Pensacola Heights at 60 degrees, Panama City at 57 degrees, Tallahassee at 54 degrees, Gainesville at 59 degrees, Jacksonville at 59 degrees. That is for the northwest, north, and northeast part of the state. Daytona, you're coming at 63 degrees, Orlando 66, Tampa at 63, Sarasota at 63. This is the north central, east, and central west in Florida. Sarasota at 63, Cape Coral at 67, Palm Bay at 66, Port St. Lucie at 66, West Palm at 71, and Miami at 68 degrees. That is our overnight low temperatures for the state of Florida. This is our afternoon temperatures for March the 1st. Pensacola, you're not going to go up very much. You're going to be coming in at 64 degrees. Panama City at 70, Tallahassee at 73, Gainesville at 77, and Jacksonville 74 with scattered clouds. Tampa, you're coming at 81, Orlando at 79, Daytona at 73, Palm Bay at 75. Sarasota, you're coming at 78, Cape Coral 80 degrees, along with Port St. Lucie at 80, West Palm at 78, and Miami at 78. As we're going to look over here into the northwest part of Florida, East Pensacola Heights, this is going to be mainly, this is 7 a.m. So T-storms are mainly in the northwest part of Florida and scattered showers elsewhere in this part over here. So scattered showers here and scattered showers out here in the Gulf. This is mainly at 7 in the morning. This is mainly in the afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms and some heavier stuff around East Pensacola Heights, and then approaching into Panama City, scattered through Gainesville, Jacksonville, and a sporadic of around Orlando, and more scattered out here in the Gulf. This is our cloud cover at 7 a.m. and as you can see, all of Florida is covered with clouds as we're going out the door for tomorrow. This is tomorrow afternoon. There might be a little bit of glimpse of a little bit of a partly cloudy skies just west of Gainesville and north of Tampa, south of Tallahassee. Panama City, you're in clouds. East Pensacola Heights, you're in clouds. Jacksonville, you're definitely in clouds. Daytona Beach, you're in clouds. Orlando, Tampa, Sarasota, Cape Coral, Palm Bay, Port St. Lucie, West Palm, and Miami. We're all in clouds tomorrow. So that will be for the Florida forecast. This is our lightning, and this is 7 in the morning. So like we said, we've seen on that future radar, it's going to be mostly north of us. And this is at 2 p.m. and doesn't change anywhere in part of the state of Florida. At 4 p.m., you can see some scattered off of Port St. Lucie, down a little bit around Miami. Sarasota looks like you're going to, for the southwest part of Florida, it looks like you're going to get the majority of the rain for south of us. In Gainesville, Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Panama City, and East Pensacola Heights. Looks like it will have showers and thunderstorms, and this mainly in the afternoon. This is in the evening. You're going to have scattered off to the east, scattered north of Tampa Bay. Gainesville, you're going to be, looks like a heavier shower around 7 p.m. this evening. Jacksonville, it looks like you're going to have some heavier rains. Looks like it's going to be lighten up around East Pensacola Heights. Panama City, you're going to be coming into the rain, and there's a lot of rain out in the Gulf. This is our morning thunderstorms. Over here, you're looking at about 10%, 10 to 20% in the northwest part of Florida. Elsewhere, less than 5%, 10% in Florida. This is the afternoon. It's still over in the northwest part of Florida. And over here we got less than 5% out here. This is 7 p.m. Now, as you can see, it's going to be a little bit further south. So we're going to call for about 10% around just north of Tampa Bay and Palm Bay. You're probably going to look at about 20 to 30% chance of rain. And over here, West Pensacola Heights, you're looking at about 40-50% chance of rain. Now this is for our regional, Tampa Bay regional weather area, and this is the forecast for locally for Pasco, Pinellas, Hillsborough, and Manatee counties. Overnight tonight in Manatee County, we're going to have a low of 64 degrees. Over in Hillsborough County, we're going to have a low of 64 degrees. Over in Pasco County, a low of 62 degrees. And here in Pinellas County, 64 degrees with partly cloudy skies. The only thing I do need to mention about Pasco County, they may have some patchy fog overnight going into the morning tomorrow before 8 a.m. So in Pasco County, you need to be kind of aware overnight. You may have some patchy fog, and if it gets thick enough, they may issue a fog advisory, and that's for Pasco County only. I don't see any other fogs for Pinellas, Hillsborough, Manatee County for tomorrow. Like I said, the temperature's going to be in the low to mid 60s overnight. And you're going to have the winds from the east northeast at 6 to 11 miles an hour overnight tonight. Now we're going to go into Friday's forecasts. We're going to look at Pasco County at 83 degrees, Hillsborough at 82 degrees, Manatee at 82, and the coolest in our Tampa Bay regional weather would be 79, and that's closer to the that is closer to the coast. Okay, in Pasco County, you're looking at a 30% chance of rain tomorrow afternoon. We're going to call for 10% in Pinellas County, a 10% in Hillsborough County, and 10% in Manatee County. So when we're calling for just a 10%, that's a very, very isolated 1 out of 10 chances that we will see a rain shower or maybe even a thunderstorm for tomorrow. But the percentages in Pinellas, Hillsborough, and Manatee County are very limited. Now, there's a 3 out of 10 chance in Pasco County, so they may get more. So we're going to still call it isolated, but they may get a better chance of rain there tomorrow. So Hillsborough County, you're looking at partly or mostly cloudy skies tomorrow, and you're looking at 82 with the winds from the east at 6 to 9 miles an hour. In Manatee County, you're looking at 82 with partly sunny skies. So now they're going to have some sun peeking in and out of the clouds down in here in Manatee County, and your winds are from the east at 8 to 11 miles an hour. In Pinellas County, it's going to be mostly cloudy, and you're looking at a high of 79, and your winds are from the east at 7 to 10 miles an hour. In Pasco County, like I mentioned, we got that patchy fog before 8 a.m., and you're going to have mostly cloudy skies with a 30% chance of rain with a high of 83, and your winds are from the east at 5 to 11 miles an hour. That is your Tampa Bay regional forecast for overnight into the day on Friday. Now we're going to look at the Thursday's recap for Thursday's highs and lows. And yesterday I put in, it was supposed to be Wednesday the 28th, and I put in the 29th. So yesterday's was for Wednesday, and yesterday's high was 81 and the low was 60. Today is Thursday the 29th. Not yesterday was the 29th. Today is the 29th, and this is for Thursday, and this is our Tampa Bay Regional Weather Center recap for your highs and your lows. And we didn't have no rain. So if you want to look over here, we had a high of 75 degrees today. So that was above normal. I'll be going here in the next 2-3 days. We'll recap the month of February of the highs and the lows of the month and the rainfall total for the month. But we had a low of 61 this morning when you walked out that door. We had no rain measured at the Tampa Bay Regional Weather Center. So we had a high of 75 today, we had a low of 61, and we had no rain. So that finishes out for the month of February, and tomorrow we'll start a brand new month, and we'll see what March brings for us. If March comes in, they say if March comes in like a lamb, then it may go out like a lion or something like that. But we're going to start the month of March tomorrow. So we'll see if it comes in like a lamb or if it comes in like a lion for tomorrow. Thank you from Tampa Bay Regional Weather. I'm Jeffrey A. Gentry. I'm your forecaster for Tampa Bay Regional Weather. Now I'm going to recap the question of the week, and we sent this question out just this last Tuesday, and it goes till March the 5th, 2024, and you have till March, or you have until Tuesday evening to answer the question of the week, and please do that in the comment section. I'm looking forward to having more and more viewers answer the questions and stuff, and we'll do weather history, weather trivia, and also I'm going to ask my viewers, you guys, to submit some questions too, and then I'll give you the answer for the following Tuesday. All right. Now the question was, let me go on this way so you can see it. The question was presented Tuesday night. More men than women die from lightning each year in the United States. Is that true or false? More women than men die from lightning each year in the United States. Is that true or false? And where you can make your guess, go in the comment section of the YouTube channel. Down in that comment section, you can either put true or false. Once again, thank you for tuning in to Tampa Bay Regional Weather. I'm Jeffrey A. Gentry. I'm your forecaster. I want to thank you and have a great evening. And I'm going to say bye for now.